Hello friend, this is Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. In this video I will tell you about the topics. Sometimes you want to talk on some subject, the topic does not come into your mind and you feel the difficulty in searching the topic, and sometimes you have to sit in front of the camera and start talking randomly. So today when I was thinking about the topic was not coming into my mind that on which topic or which subject I should make video in English language, because I am running an English language channel and you know that we have to consistent on that channel. If we don't remain consistent, this creates some problems in future. So whenever you upload video on daily basis, you have to make a video on daily basis. It is very difficult to find the topic to make video on daily basis. So I was thinking since morning and no topic was coming into my mind, and then suddenly I thought that I should go in front of the camera and start speaking whatever come into my mind, and randomly I am talking in front of this camera. Whatever comes into my mind I am speaking out, because today I don't have any topic. So I will tell you, whenever you don't find the topic, open your camera, sit in front of the camera and start talking. Whatever comes into your mind, deliver it to the public. And in this way this video is being made by me without topic, and I request you that I am running this English language channel, and sometimes whenever I speak fluently or when I speak randomly, because I am not fluent in this language, this is not my mother tongue, and sometimes I make mistakes, errors, and pardon me for those, because grammatically some errors might happen, because this is not our mother tongue and we have to face some problems while speaking. And as in my previous videos I told you that I don't have any person or family member with whom I could make my practice in spoken English. So sometimes I feel problems while speaking, because sometimes whenever we want to deliver some things, words are not coming in proper way. The words are in mind, but they are not coming into proper way, and we cannot adjust them in proper sentences. And main thing is that whatever you delivering, the others are understanding. So this is the evening time and I thought that I should make a video for you, and first of all I decided that I will make a video next day, tomorrow. I quit it today. Then I thought that I should make the video and I should go in front of the camera and speak something to the public, to the viewers of our channel. So I start camera and I started speaking with you without thinking on what topic I will speak today. So sometimes you have to make video in this way, because in each and every day topics do not come into your mind, and you have to this is the goat. I am sitting in the field and here goat is grazing and goat is disturbing me. I think this will drop my camera. Okay, it has gone downside. Because this is evening time and goats are grazing here in this field, and I am making this video in a natural environment. So I thought, because indoor I don't have lights, and in evening time, in night time I cannot able to make videos for you, and so in daylight I tried to make this video, and hope you find this video useful. If you find useful, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and also give your valuable suggestions so that I make the value of my other videos more better than these videos. Okay, thank you. Allow me, I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.